Good Wednesday morning, all. Listen carefully. I hope you all had a great first day back yesterday. For Wonderful Wednesday, I would like y'all to explore in Wonderopolis to see what interests you. So go to Wonderopolis and see what you would like us to read and find out more about. Make sure you write down the number to send to me in Seesaw. Next week and all the weeks after on Wednesdays, we will look at your wonders for Wonderful Wednesday for the rest of the year. I will see you guys at 8:30. Have a great morning. I'll see you then.